My name's Kathleen Hogeson, and I live in the Hollywood Hills near Griffith Park. I wanted to put solar panels up for years because my parents did it many years ago, and I want to cut down on fossil fuels. And I needed a new roof as my old roof was approximately 30 years old and it needed to be replaced. And the driveway needed to be redone because it was getting cracked and old, and it was about time. Aiden was really easy to work with. Everything was made comfortable for me. We were able to communicate very quickly and was able to help me to decide what I needed to do in a timely manner. The workmen showed up on time, finished on time. I was very pleased with the way things came out. The workers were knowledgeable. It feels wonderful to have the solar panel up, and the new windows have made a huge difference in my life. I'm really pleased with them. I noticed that the house stayed much quieter during the winds. I would recommend Aiden and his company to friends and neighbors. I've been very happy with the work. Thank you, Novell Remodeling, for your help. I'm really pleased with the results.